everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a quick little unboxing video of a bag that I have had my eye on for a little bit of time. It's kind of like a revamped kind of Ophidia style. It is just the signature Gucci colors, but it is just a tad bit different. I did start seeing this not too long ago, and I kept trying to YouTube videos on this bag because you guys know how I am about my totes. And I couldn't find not even one on YouTube. So I waited long enough. What you guys know that I always think about it, like give me a few months to think about a bag whenever I see one that I fall in love with. I just kind of give it a few months to just kind of see if I'm still gonna like it in a couple of months, and then to kind of see reviews and stuff of bags, of this certain type of bag. But since I was not seeing any reviews on this bag, I couldn't stop thinking about it the other day, and I finally just got it. I wanted to lower the camera a little bit so you could see a little better. It did come with your receipt, and then it also came with a little like gift card or gift saying that you wanted to say. And I feel like this is just a little extra thing that they give, and why not if you're gonna get something. And on mine, I just put life is Gucci. I live by that motto. I'm always saying it like for everything. It also came with these little stickers and like a sample of the Gucci Flora perfume, which that was cute. And then another thing that had me like cracking up is this bag. I had seen a lot of girls, like I think on TikTok or something, post that they got this bag, and it was like real cute and little. And then whenever I started like pulling mine apart, I was like, is this a like pillowcase? I was not sure. So I got this ginormous little tote. It's like cute for like groceries and stuff like that. But I just thought it was so funny. I'm like, is this gonna be for laundry? Is this gonna be like to go grocery shopping? I don't know, but it's huge, and I was cracking up. So I had to get the box out. It was so heavy. And I am just like obsessed with this packaging, like the details, like it's rough on like the vintage area. It's just so stunning. You can see it there. It comes with this pretty little ribbon. And oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. Let's see the bag. Went ahead and moved outside, but let's go ahead and get into the actual bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and tear this open. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so it does come in this beautiful dust bag. It looks a lot smaller than I thought. Hopefully not. Get this bag to be like a work bag. So, oh no, it's the same size as my denim one. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. It is everything I thought it would be. I got the beautiful Ophidia tote, and it is with the jumbo letters. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. It is absolutely stunning. Oh my goodness. I absolutely adore this bag. It's jumbo because of the lettering. The regular lettering, you guys know, is a lot smaller than this. It does give me like the huge monogram Louis Vuitton vibes. It's not as big as Louis Vuitton, but that's just the vibe it's giving. It is the exact same size as my denim Gucci tote that I have. I believe it's the same size. Maybe this one's just a tad bit bigger. And oh my gosh, I just absolutely love this. I wish it had feet. I always love feet. The back, of course, just looks like this. One thing that I just can never justify is the price for a canvas bag. I mean, it smells amazing. You can smell the leather from here, but I just cannot justify the price. Like after taxes and everything, it was ridiculous. So on the interior, it is magnetic. And it does have like a strong magnetic piece there in the beginning. I feel like after wear and tear, because I have worn the other denim bag for a while, I have gotten use out of that bag like crazy, because it's just a perfect size and it fits everything that you need in it. So I've used it a lot, and I do feel like the magnetic little snap here gets loose with time. So that's just something to keep in mind. So like I said, the only closure you are going to have on this bag is just this magnetic closure here. Other than that, everything in your bag is going to be visible. That is why I always carry like a large cosmetic case where I just literally throw everything in it and then zip it up. It's kind of unfortunate that you have to do that. These bags, I feel like they could make it look very chic, but with a zipper, and they just have not. These are so nice to have for every day, and I just wish they had a zipper. It just has like a nice zipper up here. Yep, very nice zipper. And then on this side is just a pocket, just kind of like a flappy pocket. There's nothing that really closes it, so if you have too much in there, it is going to stay open, but it looks just like this. And then you just close it just like so. It is beautiful. I absolutely love it. I will say that you will get wear and tear on these corners. Like I'm saying, on my denim bag, it does have a little bit of wear, but I have worn it a lot. Not every time I say a lot, it's not a lot. It's probably like maybe once, twice, maybe 3 times a week. And that's not every week, because I do change bags very often. I probably use like maybe 1 to 3 bags a week. So I do alternate them very often. So I don't, for me, saying that I use it a lot, it's not like somebody that uses their bag every single day. So again, I just wanted to show you a little close up. This is what the corners look like. The back, I love the jumbo print. You either are a crazy mono fan or you're not. Some people think that this is too gaudy and it's too much, but I love it. It is absolutely stunning. I love the straps. They're kind of a little structured, They're not too structured, but over time, I mean, they are leather, so they are going to get a lot less, you know, they're gonna just be a lot less structured than when they first come, but I absolutely love this. If anyone has a piece from this collection, please comment down below. I would love to know if you guys were looking at this bag and this was helpful for you. Please comment down below as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for stopping, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.